Hello everyone, welcome back to this live. And I just want to know that everything is fine or not, because last video had got some issue. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna just check that my video is working fine or not. So here we go, the coding bus. You can see the live here, and I just wanna, I'm really sorry, I'm just, give me a minute. So let's check that everything is fine. Yes, it's live. Yeah, so I can see here. So let me just open this. Let's check into this. It's fine. I'm really sorry, I'm just, give me a minute. So let's check that everything is fine. Yes, it's live. Okay. Yeah, so I can see here. So let me just open this. Let's check it on this. It's fine. Really okay. Sorry, I'm just, give me a, everything is fine, but the quality is not good as yeah, yeah, quality is fine. You can see that you can increase the quality, go to the setting of your YouTube and increase the quality. Okay, so yeah, we can see. Now let's I'm on the chat here. If you have any doubt or any question or anything that you want to ask me here, ISO tag, hello ISO tag, how are you? Okay, I'm fine. How are you doing, ISO tag? Can you give me your name so I can like call you like a name? What's your name actually? Okay, so I'll do that. Now let me just put my phone like here so I can see the live chat over here from you guys. Okay, like this. And now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna show you that how we can implement the API in our MIT App Inventor app. Okay, so I'm going to show you the live API integration in our app, and we'll see the actual output. Okay, so first of all, let's click on the new project, and my project name is Web API. So API is something, API is something where Babu Bhaiya, hi Babu Bhaiya, how are you? So API is something like you have created a backend and you have done all the code, and now you just created one link API key, and once you pass that key in the front end in app or in the front end view, okay, any React or anywhere, so that can fetch the data from the backend. So you don't need to worry, you don't need to write a code on the front end and then fetch the data and do all the things. So this is really cool. The API is really good concept. So R for why YouTube, hi how are you? So yeah, that you can do. So let me just search here some APIs. What's the APIs and how we can use it, how we can check that APIs. So let's search here free API, okay, for testing. Let's go, and you can see REST API ready to use. So I'm gonna use here one thing like free REST API that I needed. Okay, see the REST API ready to use. So I'm gonna just click on this first website. Let's see they are providing us or not. I'm gonna search here. Yes, and yes, they are providing. Okay, so as you can see here, accept cookies, see list of object IDs, yes, single. That's great. So how we can get that? So see here, they have provided one link, api.restful-api.dev/object and 7. Okay, so that's their API. Now if you want to collect the data of the ID of 7, so you just need to paste your code like here, and you can call it, and you will see the Apple MacBook Pro etc. Now if you want to call the data from the ID of 8, so just remove that 7 and put the 8 and just enter, and you will see the Apple Watch Series 8. It means all the data that we can see here is stored in the server. Now we just need to pass the value to fetch the actual what we needed value. Okay, because we can't fetch all the value. If I just call it here, you'll see hello world from Spring Boot. So that overall created from the Spring Boot. Okay, so I'm gonna just call it here again. The ID is like, let's random ID 30. Okay, error object with ID was not found. Okay, and let's see the 12. Yes, Apple iPad here. Okay, so you can see here the ID. So I'm gonna call that API in MIT App Inventor project, and will use the front end view to display all the data. So how we can do this? So go to MIT App Inventor, and let me just check the here, like if you have anyone have question or something. So hi Nivedita Warrior, hi Nivedita, how are you? Bhavya collab with Pixel Editor. Definitely, I'll do that, Bhavya. But the problem is that I need to reach out them with them. Like if there is any Pixel Editor, hi Pixel Editor, how are you? I'm ready to collab with you because of Bhavya. So if you are interested in collab, so please contact me. Okay, Babu Bhaiya, that's great. So now, YT YouTube downloader app with API, please. Oh, see, because that API, no one can give you the free of cost. See, that's the reason. That's why we can't do this. Okay. Oh, there is someone who writes something and that I can't read because that one is the in another language. I can't see and I can't copy that. I think that text. So I'm really sorry. Safia Kara Bulut. Can you just write in English, or can you just translate that text that you have written your language to the English so I can read it. Okay. So please do this. I'm really sorry. I can't understand your language. I'm really sorry for that. It's Turkish. So can you just translate our YouTube for me and just paste that code, that translated text on the chat? Can you do that? If you can copy this, because I can't copy this. I don't know why I can't copy this from my phone. So yeah. Hello, I find your channel very useful, especially regarding the App Inventor. Thank you. Oh, Safi Karabolo, thank you so much, Safi. I'm really thankful for this. And you find my content very useful, and I'm really appreciated the thing. So thank you so much for joining this live also, and thank you so much for liking my all the content and subscribing my channel. Please share that YouTube channel with your friends and family, please. Thank you R for Y YouTube. I'm really thankful for you for doing this. So here we go. So yeah, I can understand, but you have done this YouTube. I'm really thankful for that also. So now what we will do here, I'm gonna just show you how we can use. If you know where is all these API, YouTube downloader API or Instagram Reel downloader API. If you have the API, so you can integrate that also. But I have the API like this demo API, so I'm gonna do this here. So just copy this API. Now let's go to the MIT App Inventor project, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just I need to display data, right? Okay. So where I need to display the data, so I'm going to display that data in this suppose the list, or suppose let's display that data in the label first. Okay, let's try how this will work. Emily, hi Emily, how are you? Really thankful for joining this live. Okay, so let's use that button, and I'm going to use here one text box also to get input from user like this. I'm going to make that all the things in a center like this. Okay. So yeah, now what? Okay, I mean, just need to. So let's use that button. Sorry. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just use the data. This is the data. Okay, and I'm gonna just make it 20 or something. Let's data, and that button is like fetch data. And in this input box, I'm gonna put that key or that value 12 1 2 3, whatever object you want to fetch. Okay, whatever the object value you want to fetch. If you want to fetch the data of one ID, you'll see the Pixel Google Pro, that value. So let's fetch it. So I'm gonna just copy that API here, go to the MIT App Inventor, go to the block. Babu Bhaiya, I don't know how can I use the YouTube video download API. I have that. Oh, if you have the API, then definitely I'll show you. I'm showing you right now. As you can see here, I'm showing you the demo how you can use the REST API. Okay, so if you have still if you still have some doubt regarding this integration the API, then you can just DM me or just comment on the any video. Definitely I'll reply you. Okay, so let's click on the button 1. Once people click on button 1, then what will happen here, I need a one here. What I need a ID. So how can I get that ID? So I need an ID from the text. So like this is the join I'm gonna use here, and I'm gonna use the text box 1 dot text. Now I need to call my URL also. So this is the URL. So I need to use here the fix here. Here are some questions like Meghraj Meena, where are you from, bro? Hi Meghraj Meena, I'm good. I'm from Delhi, India. Okay, so and where are you from? I think this is not your real name, maybe. I'm from Delhi, and this is the API I'm just calling, and I'm just removing that one from here because we are getting that one value. I can see here I'm just removing that one because we are getting that value from that user input. We are using a text box one.text, okay, like this. Now I'm just calling here, but how we can get that? So I'm gonna just call it one thing here. Let's go to the designer. In the left side you will find the option of WAV. So you will see here the connectivity, and you will see the WAV option. Just drag and drop it here like this. Let's go to the block. Let's click on the WAV and set the first URL. Okay, so like quote URI quote end quote. I need to set that URL. Okay, like this, set URI like this. So once I click on the here, I need to set the URI like this. You can set it here like this, or you can do one thing here, like you can fetch that also. So I'm gonna just join, I'm gonna call it here and call it here like this. Okay, this will set the URI, and I need to do one thing, I need to call it here also. So web.get data I need to call here. You will see, just scroll down, see this is the get data. After fetching the data, click on web again, and you will see here the got text. Then I need to display the text on the label. So is this possible to display that data on the label? So let's see, let's try. If this will not work, we'll fetch that data on the list also. Okay, so this is, and this is the response content. Oh my god, there are a lot of questions. I'm sorry. Akshaya Purohit. Hi Akshaya, how are you? Sir, can we make a social network app in MIT App Inventor? Yes, we can. Okay, stop. I'm answering your question. Please stop doing this. Okay, you have I received your questions. Okay, don't worry. So, sir, can we make the social network app in MIT App Inventor? So, in MIT App Inventor, we can create the social media app. Definitely we can do. We can create an app like Facebook and Instagram also. But for that, we need to use the external server. Like we can use the Cloudways, we need to use the pad plan for Cloudways, or we can use the Fireways to connect our server. Okay, now what we need to do here, whenever we use the images, so we need to convert that image to the base 64 format, and then we need to store that data in the Fireways, and whenever the user will access that data, so we need to convert again, decode that code, and we can display the image. So we can do this. Okay, and Meghraj Meena, I already have answered you that question, that where are you from, bro? So I'm from Delhi, India. So please don't repeat this. Okay, I'm sorry, I think it's lagging. I'm really sorry it's lagging. Then let me just turn off my camera. I think most probably there is an issue because CPU usage is 23%, 32%. Yeah, it's too much. So that's why. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me just remove the camera. I hope that will work fine now. I need to replace my laptop also. Anyone can gift me the laptop? Okay, so let's go to here. I'm gonna buy one laptop probably this month or next month. Okay, so let's do one thing here. Okay, now label one.text here. Okay, now we need to just respond content like this. Done. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go to the design and let's see how this will work. So I'm gonna use my Android phone here. So let's see. And I'm gonna just use the web, webcast like this. And here is the webcast option something. Okay, yes, here I can see. Okay, now I need to just connect this. Okay, no network available, I'm sorry. I need to turn on my Wi-Fi. Let's turn on. And Babu Bhaiya, no, if you use more block, the app is lagging. Any way to run fast app? Oh, okay. Sorry. So no, I think if you will use the more blocks, so definitely that app will not lagging. But the problem is that once we use a lot of images or content in app, so then our app can lag. Okay, because that app can now not have issue without any having the much heavier object like the video or the high resolution images and all the things. For that you can use images, video, you can use the external link for that. I saw your video on the weather app using extension, but it felt was not working at all. Okay, Akshay, so maybe the problem is with the API, or maybe the problem with the extension. So if you have any related issues, so definitely I'll resolve all these questions, answers I'll give you. So here let's see that API function and let's see how this will work. Okay, so here's the app and I'm gonna just use MIT App Inventor to let's connect this AI companion. Let's scan this. Okay, so I'm just scanning this and let's see how this will work. Okay, now I'm gonna just turn on my camera for now. Okay, and let's go to the Android cast. Yeah, here let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna just put the one value because I need to fetch the one data. Click on text fetch data, and as you can see here, I can see the value here. See, ID1 name Google Pixel, and if I will put the 2 value here and let's click on the fetch data, so I can fetch another data again. So our API is working and we have integrated it perfectly, but how can I get it in a proper way? Can we get that in the list? Is there any way to do this? Let's try it. Go to the MIT App Inventor, let's go to the block and let's put that content on the list. So go to the design and I'm gonna click on user interface, let's list view like this. Go to the block, let's list view, and you will see here the set elements. Yes, this is here, and I'm gonna put that content like response content on the list. Let's try this now. I'm gonna refresh this app and let's go to here and let's try one and let's see how this is. Oh, the operation element cannot accept the argument like this. The reason is because this is not a proper list. Okay, so we need to fetch that data here. For that I need to use some loop or something to to organize that data. Okay, so for now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just show you that you can use that web component to fetch the data from the API. And if you want to arrange that data or something, so you need to use some loops and other things. How can I save the text from the app to phone storage? Okay, how can I save the text from the app to phone storage? Okay, you want to store that data to the phone storage. So it's simple, like you need to change your app saving location, saving path. You can do this. You can use some extension for that also. There is one extension called there's a tool extension that is from the Pura Vida, so you can try that also. That can help you. Okay, so let's try something else. Okay, I'm getting a lot of call, I'm really sorry. I need to silence my phone. Okay, let's go to the design here, let's click on the fetch data and let's try something here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, let's go to the API here. You can see this. So this is the API content we are fetching from the ID like this. Okay, so you can also do that using this. Now what I need to do here, I need to if you want to create the weather app. Okay, so let's try to create a weather app. So I'm gonna just find the weather API or weather extension or something, weather API free, and let's try if there is any option to get the free weather API. Yes, let's try this. But sometimes most of the APIs are paid because they will not allow you to use their data. Okay, real-time weather. Okay, you need to sign up, you need to create an account, and they have a pricing. Oh no, let's try something weather REST API free. Let's try open weather API. And okay, they also have, I think, pricing plan or no, I'm not sure. Okay, API docs, subscribe. Oh, I'm sure again we need to subscribe and all the things. Okay, let's do it later. Okay, I'm not show you, because I need to create account and then I need to fetch and then I need to do a lot of things here, okay, in this short live. So what I'm gonna do here today, I'm gonna just answer your questions here. We have just learned how we can use the basic API in MIT App Inventor to fetch the data. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comments. I'm gonna just answer all the questions over here. So if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me here. So I'm here to help you. Hello Akshaya, Bhavo Bhaiya, Meghraj, Emily, RY YouTube, Nivedita, see deleted, see restricted, okay. Message restricted. I'm sorry, why this message is restricted, I don't know why this is happening, because maybe some reason. Let me just try this to remove that restriction. Okay, and I'm here. A lot of people are watching. If you have any question or anything, I'm here to answer your all questions. Okay, so okay, there is some restricted question. Okay, there is any, no, there is no any restriction on the question. That's great. Everything is just fine. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for joining this live, guys. So if you have still have any question, I have requested about social network app. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna create one app social. If you don't know, like, still I'm gonna show you that create social media app in MIT App Inventor, the coding bus. You can just search like this, okay, and you will see here the how to create social media app using MIT App Inventor. All these things, all these 3 videos that I have created the social media app. Okay, so now if you want to, if you have any doubt in this video, you can just connect me. Okay, bro, I have Megan on Nitron. Okay, WhatsApp status saver, but I have given path of WhatsApp status. It is working on Android 10 but not on Android 11, 12, 13. Path is changed. Okay, so Babu, yeah, maybe the problem is that with the Android version. Okay, so we need to check that what's the difference between Android 10 or Android 11. So if there is we need to find that issue. If there is some any issue, then we need to use the condition that if someone using the Android 11 or higher version, then we need to we need to use that path. If someone using that Android 10 or lower version, sorry, then we need to use the other path. Okay, so you can do that. So this is a way to find okay, Typhoon tool. Yeah, Typhoon tool is a good extension, so you use that. Okay, so we need to check that, like Android have I need to check that. I'll give you the answer on the comment section. Okay, I'll give you. So yeah, if you have any doubt or any question, guys, so you can ask me on the chat. So thank you so much for joining this live. Have a great day and bye bye. I'm just waiting for 2-3 more minutes. If you have any questions, you can ask me here. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye. Okay, you're talking about weather extension. If weather extension is not working, then it means then we need to contact the extension developer. Okay, and if I find any other extension or any other API or something, definitely I will create another video for that, especially for Akshay Purohit, I will definitely do it. Okay, so don't worry, I'll do that for you. Okay, so just wait for a few days. I'll do that. Okay, any other questions? Okay guys, so yeah, done. I think there's no, but I am unable to use please, yes, Steve. Okay, Ovia, there is a extension of Sunny. Okay, that's great. So if you have created any app or something, and if you're still finding error, so you can email me. Okay, just email me the code screenshot or the error screenshot, and definitely I'll reply you on the email. Okay. Yes, definitely, Ovia, definitely do it. You can DM me on Instagram. You can DM or you can just send me the email. Okay, thanks. Great. Thank you so much for joining this live. Bye bye. See you tomorrow at the same time, 6 p.m. IST.